everyone. Today I, Anjali Rana, welcome you all to the orientation program for Management, Commerce and IT for academic session 2021-22. Today we are graced with the presence of our mentor, Mr. Yogam Chaturvedi, Director General, CPJ College. We welcome you, sir.
Thank you so much, Miss Anjali.
Sir, as I've interacted with so many students and parents, and they all are highly inspired by you. So, sir, would like to know what is your inspiration?
See, I feel it's a very relevant and a nice question. No two doubts. You need, being a human, it is very natural that you also keep getting inspired.
Right, sir.
Of course, my very first inspiration have been my parents, who gave me a very good upbringing, and I was brought up in a very open environment with very right values, the right traditions, and a very good combination of a mix of all things, wherein I feel that the real confidence that I gained was because of their upbringing, added with, of course, my mentors and inspirations that I drew from my teachers, my people where I admired and I looked upon them in my college days, in my university days, and after that a good number of people who have inspired, who could be living legends in their respective fields. And this is how it keeps going on, and I feel getting inspired is an ongoing process, and it should remain on if you really wish to achieve something, because frankly speaking, if you remain inspired by something or the other, the gut feeling inside you remains on to achieve what you have inspired for. So this is what, yeah.
Okay, sir, thank you. And sir, what are your expectations from the newly admitted students?
Very frankly speaking, it is the start of their college life, and very frankly speaking, they also would have not expected it to start this way, and where the classes as of now would be in an online mode, wherein they already had their 1 year of 12th class, a very important class of their schooling in an online mode itself. So expectations I wouldn't say as of now to a great deal, but as I have already expressed with them, that since they are starting their college life, certain things which needs to be imbibed in them as a student getting started with college life, those all traits of self-belief and self-determination, having a vision, keeping a focus in oneself, and remaining with that drive of initiative, that initiative drive in you, that I'm there. And of course, you as a faculty, Ms. Anjali, even you'll understand that if you're teaching a class, and it's a class of 50-60 students, if all are absolutely inspired and initiated to understand and learn it from you, then your task is done.
Right.
So it's a both-way traffic. You wish to give something to the other body should remain on to take it and get imbibed and move further with that learning. So I wish them to have a very nice period of learning, and my expectation from all of them would be that to remain with your right feel on, with your right spirits on, and remain determined to achieve what you wish to aspire for. The college stands next to you and would give all its best to make you achieve and taste your dreams. Yeah.
Right, sir. So any motivating words for the young budding students?
As I say that the young blood of India is the future of India,
Right.
And they all should remain, as I said in my address to them also, as is the fast-paced world of today. My one thing would be that certain feelers should always remain on, despite whatever odds, and that is remaining being human. Being human is a very important element, and I suppose that feel should never be missing in anyone. So to the young blood of today, I would say that remain being human, remain being committed, have the ownership towards your family, towards your college, towards your working, because with that feel only and having that self-belief in you, you would be able to achieve what you really are looking forward to. Yeah.
Thank you so much, sir, for your time.
Yeah, thank you so much, Ms. Anjali. It's always a pleasure interacting with you.
Thank you so much.